This is what downsizing yet upgrading looks like. We're here at this 2014 Phelps-built home in Smithville. This end unit townhome is completely freehold and has tons of upgrades. We're talking oak hardwood, Cambria quartz counters, huge egress windows, crown molding. This place is stunning. I'm Wes Skilstra, broker with the Wayne Skilstra team, and let's take a tour of 18 Brookside Terrace here in Smithville. All right, stepping inside the home here, we've got a beautiful open concept main floor. On my right here is a nice den that could easily be a second bedroom, an office, a library. You can easily add French doors there. Now to my right is this gorgeous kitchen. We've got Cambria quartz countertops, a massive gas range, undermount sink, stainless steel appliances, stunning. Amazing for entertaining. Also to my right, you've got an open concept dining and living area, oak hardwood floors, pot lights, and extends right out into your beautifully finished backyard with professional landscaping. Behind me, we've got your own primary suite. So again, you've got stunning oak hardwood in here, crown molding, a gorgeous walk-in closet with built-ins, and behind me is this beautiful ensuite with double sinks and amazing accessibility here for those with accessibility needs. So before I take you downstairs, you've got inside access to your single car garage, and behind me is a convenient main floor powder room, which is perfect for guests. Now some of the units have your main floor laundry right here. Right now it's just a linen closet, but could be perfectly set up if you want everything on one level. Okay, we're now stepping into the finished basement here, and one of the first things you'll notice is the huge egress windows. Now behind me is a beautiful rec room that's got a cozy gas fireplace, lovely laminate floors, and behind is another full 4-piece bathroom with a bedroom with its own walk-in closet. So if you need more living space or just an awesome space for guests when they come to visit, this is the perfect spot. Also behind the camera is tons of storage space, basically double of what you're seeing finished. If you would like more information on this stunning freehold end unit townhome here in the beautiful town of Smithville, call or text me, Wes Skilstra, anytime at 289-213-7337.